Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Sukiyaki Yaki Udon. My son is a big noodle freak and my daughter loves Sukiyaki. So today I'm putting these two together into one dish so that I can satisfy them both. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this Sukiyaki Yaki Udon. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 frozen udon noodles, negi, Japanese leek, shimeji mushroom, thinly sliced beef, any part you like. It's about 300 grams. 4 eggs, 3 tablespoons each of soy sauce, sake and mirin, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let's make onsen tamago, soft-boiled eggs. So prepare 1 liter of fully boiling water, turn the heat off, and add 1 cup of cold water. Doesn't have to be chilled. Put the eggs. Put the lid on and leave it for 15 minutes with the heat off. Then take them out in ice water. Now, I'm cooking udon noodles by following the instruction on the package. It says I can cook it using microwave, so let's do that. 4 frozen udon noodles. It says 4 minutes per serving, so I'm doing 12 minutes. In the meantime, let's cut the vegetables. So Japanese leek. Just make thin diagonal slices. And shimeji mushroom. Cut the bottom off. Break into pieces. Okay, 15 minutes. So let's put the eggs in the bowl of ice water. Soft-boiled eggs and the noodles are ready. So let's get to the sukiyaki part. All the seasonings into the wok or frying pan. Sake, mirin, soy sauce, and sugar. And just bring it to boil. Now it's boiling, so let's put the beef. Beef is browned, so I'm adding all the vegetables. And keep cooking until the vegetables are wilted. Looks good, so let's add the udon noodles. Give it a mix. Udon noodles soaked up the broth, and I don't see any broth left at the bottom of the wok. Now, kill the heat and it's served. So yaki udon into the bowl. Onsen tamago in another bowl. Make a little dent and slide it into the dent. Some shichimi, Japanese chili mix if you like. And Sukiyaki Yaki Udon is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. Udon noodles soaked up all the tasty flavor and umami, and it's so good. You can have this without the egg, but we eat sukiyaki with raw beaten egg, so it tastes more like sukiyaki with the egg. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Sukiyaki udon is noodles, but it's hot, so it goes here, and onion miso soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about daikon salad for one of them, and some sort of pickles either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.